is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another Apple product unboxing. So today I am unboxing my new MacBook Pro, and some of you who have been watching me might be a little confused by this because I was just talking about how much I love my current Mac. I got it in 2017, so it's the 2017 15-inch MacBook Pro, and I mean, it's really stuck by me. I literally talked about how reliable it was in one of my videos, but the Sunday before online classes started, it just broke down. I've been on the phone with Apple for like hours discussing the issue and figuring out if it was a software or a hardware issue, and then we determined it was a hardware issue. And the warranty has expired now and it would cost a lot to fix it, and it's like a whole thing. So because I really need a laptop obviously to be on my Zoom calls and for all of my software and everything for school, I mean, it was just really unfortunate timing. I decided to go ahead and get a new MacBook, which I'm very grateful for my parents for letting me have that option. So we have her right here and we are going to unbox her. If you're a student, then you're getting a free pair of AirPods with every Mac or iPad purchase. I got a pair of AirPods with that purchase, which I gave to my brother, and now these ones are going to be for me. So I'm not going to unbox these because I did it in my previous video. So if you want to see me unboxing my AirPods in my iPad unboxing video, I'll have that linked up in the card. Here she is. All right. Okay, so for reference, I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro in space gray with the 2.0 gigahertz processor, 1 terabyte of storage, 16 gigabytes of memory. Out of like the 4 options, this one is the one with the best like processor and memory and things like that. Honestly, it wasn't even a debate between all of them because this was the only one in stock anywhere near me, and like I said, this was more of like a time crunch thing where I knew that we were going to buy a new laptop because mine broke and we just had to get one that could come the soonest. So this was the one we ended up getting. They literally only had this one in space gray, like no other options anywhere near me, and they were able to do next day delivery because it was so close to me. They had a couple in the 16-inch as well, but I already felt that 15-inch was a little bit on the bigger side and I didn't want to go any bigger, and I don't even think a 16-inch would fit in my backpack. So 13-inch is what we went with. So we are going to go ahead and open this up. There she is. Alright, so we have our charging cord, and they always like give a little packet of instructions, which I should just read through to be safe, and the power adapter. Okay, so charging cord, power adapter, and our laptop. Alright, let's start to set her up. We are going to do English, United States, Wi-Fi. So my game plan here is I do have a time machine backup from my previous computer, but I think I'm just gonna start this guy fresh for now. And if later there are things that I want from the backup, then I will go on it. But there's just so many downloads, so much junk on there. I'd rather just start from scratch. Matthew, did you get a sign-in request?
Yeah.
Do you have it?
Yeah, you want it?
Yeah. All right. I really need to change that photo. It's such an old photo. You know, this isn't as small as I thought it would feel. Going from the 15-inch to the 13-inch. It's still a decent size. And I think the space gray is growing on me. I feel like it's gonna get less dirty than my silver one. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Touch ID. Okay, we chose dark mode. Alright, we'll do true tone. And now it's setting her up. Alright, here it is. So I'm just gonna go through and clean it up a little bit, remove things from the dock that I know I'm never gonna use. So while my software is downloading, I just wanted to do a brief comparison from my new MacBook Pro to my older one. So I am comparing the 2017 15-inch MacBook Pro over here with the 2020 13-inch, and I mean, obviously the size of the screens is probably the biggest difference, and the size of the trackpad as well. This one was much bigger. At the same time, for a 13-inch, this is a very large trackpad, in my opinion. The feel of the keys is definitely different. Like, these ones are a lot more raised, I would say, than these initial, like, butterfly keys. These ones are almost, like, the same level as the metal around them, but these ones are definitely much more raised, and I think that was a criticism that Apple had gotten originally with how not raised these keys were, and people kind of liked the feel of pressing down on the keys a little bit more. Another small difference is that this little, like, your fingerprint guy is now separated from the initial Touch ID, and the escape is now its own button as opposed to here where it is a part of the touch bar. Unfortunately, I can't really compare too much with how the screens look or the way that they operate because this guy won't technically turn on, at least the display won't turn on. But overall, that's like a quick overview. But I mean, for a smaller computer, it doesn't even feel that much smaller, which was kind of my biggest concern, and I'm really excited to try this one out. Hey guys, so I'm dumb and accidentally deleted my outro take, but I really hope you all enjoyed this video and let me know what other Mac videos you want to see, and I'll see you all next time.